welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is going to be my Mompreneur Series. This is the first part of this series, and I will be sharing how it has been a mom and entrepreneur and answering a lot of you guys' questions that you have. So in today's video, I'm going to be addressing how I became a social media influencer and why I left the practice of law. So if that interests you, keep watching. If you're new here, my name's Angel. I share so many things: lifestyle, home decor, mom life. So if that interests you, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to click the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. Also, I encourage you to follow me on Instagram and TikTok and the other social media platforms out there to see more of my life. So to address working from home and the benefits, I really love working from home, guys. It opens the door for so much freedom. And I am all about freedom and flexibility, and it's amazing, especially when you have kids. I have kids and dogs. Well, I have a baby and dogs. My dogs are like kids though, because you wake up to throw up and you have to change them and play with them and wash them and feed them. So they're like our kids. Working from home just opens up the door for so much flexibility and freedom, and you can work when you want to work. And that's the great thing about it. We don't have to leave our home, so that cuts down on gas and being on the interstate so much, because there was a point in time my husband and I both working so much I had to travel an hour and a half to a job fighting traffic. In Atlanta traffic, my friend, it's not fun. Okay, not fun. So that of course increases the chance of accidents, and it was always something every time we turned around. So we literally stay home. We don't have to go drive 2 hours every day to work and back, and it's just great. And we're actually home with Ace, so we get to see all the moments, you know, from him crawling to him talking and walking, you know. So it's just an amazing opportunity to be able to work from home. So if you ever get that opportunity, or you have it now, or you're trying to get it, it's a great time to maybe incorporate it or learn how to do it. And the internet opens up so many opportunities right now, so it's an amazing thing if you can or if you want to. So to give you a little bit of background, I am a content creator. A lot of people call us influencers, and I came from the area of law. I practiced law for years, and I know you're probably like, Angel, you look young. Like, I know. So I got a degree in accounting, and then I went to law school and I got a JD in law, and then I got another degree, which is a LLM in entertainment law. So I have 3 degrees, and I worked at a law firm for a while, and then I did solo practice, and then I did a lot of e-discovery work. So I went through the whole spiel with law, and I ultimately left law to become a full-time content creator. And I go more into detail about why I left in this video, which is on my second YouTube channel, which is Angel's Creators Corner. It's a channel dedicated just for content creators and influencers who want to learn behind the business and how to grow and, you know, increase their income and increase their audience. So if you want to make a business out of this, make sure to go subscribe to that channel and watch those videos. So in 2010, I actually started using Instagram to post about my life. And so I just decided to give the whole social media thing a try. And it was so crazy because I did do acting. I have a background in acting. I've been acting since I was a kid. So even though I was in law school, I was doing theater, I've done commercials, I've done a lot. So I've been in that entertainment world from day one, and I play the piano. So I got a piano channel if you guys like music. But I always loved entertainment. And when social media started, I did jump on Facebook when it first started in college. But when Instagram started in 2010, I jumped on there. And I just had this feeling that social media was just gonna take off and be the next big thing. So I just started taking social media serious kind of from day one, because I saw it as a way to reach people through entertaining, if that makes sense. Since I was an entertainer, I just saw a way to reach more people. So that's how it started with me. I didn't know it would take me to where I am now, no, but I did have a feeling that it was just gonna be a great thing, an opportunity to be on it and share my life and share tips and stuff. So once I started posting, my following started growing, and people just started watching my stuff. And as I got bigger, I started getting brand deals, and I was like, wow, I can get money from posting about my life. And so I remember getting my first brand deal maybe at around 10,000 followers on Instagram. So it was just very mind-blowing. And that's how I realized, okay, not only is social media gonna be something big, but I can potentially make money from this. So I just kept at it. I kept at Instagram, I started Facebook, jumped on Twitter, and just everything. And over time, I started making more and more money from brand deals, and then I started learning about YouTube and ad revenue and affiliate marketing and affiliate links, and it just kept growing, and it just kept growing my income sources. And so that's how it started. So now I get brand deals practically on every platform. Well, I have gotten brand deals on every platform that I'm on. I have gotten paid to tweet. I've gotten paid to pin on Pinterest. I've gotten paid for blog posts on my blog. Of course, YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. So now it's a business. It really is a business, and I treat it as such. And to be quite honest, it brought in some amazing opportunities, things I could have never, ever dreamed of. I mean, to get invited to Radio City Music Hall in New York and have better seats at a premiere than the cast, oh God, mind blowing. It's a great thing, it's a great opportunity, but that doesn't necessarily mean I have this easy life. It's hard, okay? Social media and being a content creator is a lot of work. A lot of work. I used to tell people that being a lawyer, I will work anywhere from 40 to 80 hours, just depending on what area of life I was in, because some weeks I was pulling 78 hours a week. But I would tell people that I used to work harder for myself being a influencer than I did ever as an attorney, and that was very true. But now that I've had a baby and things have changed, my mindset has changed. I'm all about working smarter and not harder, and enjoying life more. You know, now I've just learned to put systems into place where I don't have to kill myself working, and I can still make a living and enjoy my life. But it's still a lot of hard work. It's hard work, and I share a lot of those tips on Creators Corner. So if you are interested in actually learning how this whole social media thing works, I just really encourage you to go subscribe to that channel. So that's pretty much how I became a content creator. I started it, and it just kind of kept growing and kept growing, and Instagram kept growing because I joined that. I joined Twitter. I just started joining things early, and so I do encourage content creators and influencers, when things come up, join them. Like with TikTok, I didn't know what TikTok was. A friend of mine contacted me about it, and I was like, what is that? But once I researched and learned more about it, I jumped on board, and now I have about 80,000 followers or more in a short period of time. And same with YouTube. I'm so glad I did jump on YouTube, and I love YouTube, and I thank you guys so much for being on this journey. Like, this could have never happened without you guys. You guys, thank you. You're the greatest. You're sweet, and I'm so glad that you like my content and enjoy it. So in the next part of the series, I'm going to be talking about being productive working from home with a baby. So if that's your cup of tea, make sure to check that video out, and I will see you guys in my next video.